everybody, this is Stacy. Welcome back to my channel. It's been a little bit. I, like you, am busy and working on other things, and I've been painting and doing all kinds of stuff. But anyways, all that to say, I hope you are all doing very well. I have another little mini album that I want to share with you today. This is from the Graphic 45 Sun-Kissed collection, and I use the collection pack as well as the patterns and solids, but this paper is super cute. I love the blues and the peachy pink in it. This album is actually a baby album / baby photo album that someone had asked me to make for them. And yeah, so let's get into it. This is actually also a tutorial from Ginger from My Sister Scrapper. So I will leave the link in the description box below so you guys can check that out and follow her tutorial. And she is so much better at tutorials than I am, because she has had a ton of practice. and she's so creative. I can't say enough about Ginger. I love the work that she does. Anyways, this album, it has a 3-inch spine, and it measures, we're looking at about 5.5, the cover by about 7.5. And so on the front, this is the image from the signature sheet. And so what I did was I cut out the second image, a couple elements from the second image, one of which being the little girl here, as well as the flowers and the starfish. Before I popped them up on some foam and glued them on, I took my embossing pad and I went over the water, and I used some clear embossing powder on the water, and I tried to use a little bit of the Tim Holtz Frosted Crystal up here at the top. And I wish, now looking at it, I wish that I'd gone over it again, but I don't know if you can see where it kind of looks foamy. I don't know if the camera will pick that up, but you can see, you know, the water. I wanted the light to shine off the back, and the water to look, you know, shiny, glowy, like water. Anyway, so when you open this up, now what makes this, not only is this a mini album, like I said before, but this is also a baby book, and I'll show you those features here in a minute. But in the front, you know, I like transparency, so I put a transparent window, and this photo mat slides out so you can put obviously a photo on it. It is blank on the back. Over here on this side, let's see if I can do this without the shine from the transparency. Over here on this side, I made some little tags. Inside this one is just kind of a little postage stamp. I used Tim Holtz has some stamps that came out, you know, the little blueprint stamps, and these are the small ones. So I stamped those and colored that in, and that goes in this little taggy here. Super cute, right? Here is one of the, trying to do this one-handed so the transparency won't glow on you. Here's one of the cutouts from the paper collection. And then on this side, what I did here was I took some vellum, and here, let me move that out of the way here. Okay, what I did was I took some vellum and I made an envelope for baby's hospital bracelet, and Mommy can probably put hers in here as well. And then I stamped again with one of Tim Holtz stamps here on the vellum, as you can see, using the permanent, oh gosh, Ranger, you know what it is, archival, the black archival ink, and it stamps very nicely on vellum. You just have to either heat set it or just let it dry naturally, but it works out really great. And then I put in here, you know, for the hospital bracelet. So there's that. Let me move this back over. I did a little belly band here. I had these little brads, these little colored brads in my stash. So I did a little belly band here with the "You Are My Sunshine" cut out from the paper. Now when you open this up, on the inside, in each page, it has, I'll cover that up. In each page, it has the places to write for the baby's different stages. So this photo mat here that pulls out, you can see it's got 1 month old, 2 months old, and then it has all the information, date, height, weight, all of that stuff. Also says cute and funny things that I can do. This is a printable that I purchased on Etsy from the shop called Pretty Pink Planners Co. I will leave also that in the description box below. And these are actually full-size pages that I put 2 on 1 page and before I printed them out. So they go all the way through the first 12 months. And then I just put them inside of the photo mat. On the back of this photo mat would be Mom's family tree. So you can see grandparents' names, but I call them my siblings' names, mom's siblings' names, cousins' names, right? So that's in there as well. Oh, here, let's put this aside real quick. In here, also as part of this set, more photo mats. Says, hello, I am new here. Name, date, weight, length, all of that good stuff that you would put in a baby book. And then we have places for handprints, my tiny hands, my tiny toes, and then there's cards. There's also sheets for first Halloween and excuse me, all the firsts that in the baby's first year, right? So, and then on the back of these cards, I actually stamped some lines. Here is that shell from Tim Holtz again, but I stamped some lines so you could jot down some notes for that day, that kind of thing. So, and then inside, Ginger's great design, plenty of room for the larger photos, right? Front and back. Same thing on this page. Baby's months 3 and 4, and then I did on the pocket here, I did some embossing behind the little transparency, and took these from the sticker sheet, made some little tags out of them, and then again we have another spot for a photo, Home Sweet Home, with the date, and then baby's first Thanksgiving. On there, the story of how I was born. And then also, again, room for more photos. On this page, 5 and 6 in here. Oh, and I did tell you on the back, or I didn't tell you, on the back of this is Dad's family tree. So, which I thought, this was all really super cute because the person who did this, again, Pretty Pink Planners on Etsy, they thought of everything, and there's even more to this set. I didn't even use all of the set, but there's a lot more. Again, the pull-out, 5 months old and 6 months old. Nothing on the back of this one. Another little tag that I made with more mini tags. I just love I love the little small tags that Graphic 45 gives you. This would be baby's first Christmas. And again, another place to journal on the back, another little shell. And then we have first family photo. We have all about me, my full name, who chose it, my nicknames, people say I look like, features I got from mom and dad. Super cute, right? Another place for more photos here, another little flip up. This again on the pocket. I pretty much just decorated the pockets and left everything because this will fit a 4x6 photo very nicely on these flaps, the pullouts as well as the back of the pages, and then you can cut your photos smaller for the flip ups, and then behind behind the flap. So anyways, pocket here, did a little slit in the pocket. I took some vellum and some transparency, and I have this little set with a note in a bottle. This little, it's a stamp and die set, and I stamped, make a wish on the note, and I put some little sequins in there, as you can see. And also this is embossed. The bottle is embossed on the vellum, and I used Tim Holtz ink. I don't know, he's got a blue ink that reminds me of a little bit of like sea glass, so that's what I use there. On this side there is a pocket here, and in this pocket another little vellum envelope for baby's first haircut, baby's first Easter, and again journaling on the back with the sand dollar this time. Another one of the cards from the paper collection, the little sun-kissed card. And then this pulls out of the pocket, and now we're at 7 and 8 months. Now we're at the 7 and 8 month old marker. Again, decorated the pocket here with the Life's a Beach sticker, and this is one of Tim Holtz' side orders from the side kit. So you have some flip-flops and a palm tree and a little sun. It also comes with, really cute, I love the little side orders, they're small, everything small is so cute. They also come with the little, it also comes with an embossing folder and another little thing in there. So you flip this page over, and we're at 9 and 10 months old with the pullouts. And we've got first 4th of July, journaling on the back again. And then we have my first, so this gives a list of, you know, first full night of sleep, smile, bath, haircut, tooth, and so on. And then on the pocket here, this is a little swing tab that flips open, and when you open this up, it says one of the stickers from the sticker page, and it says, "You are my sunshine." Another little flip up here for photos. Blank again on the back. Here we're at 11 months and then 1 year old. All the same little bits of info. On this pocket, little bit of burlap, little anchor embellishment that I had in my stash. The tag, one of the little tags from the sticker sheet, "You and Me" by the sea. Inside, I made a little shaker, and you can see there. Let's see. Oh, there's a little pearl in there and some sequins, but this is just another little tag, and then some ribbon I had in my stash too. Let's see, I'm gonna get these all mixed up. There's also when we get to 1 year old, there is also on the back of this one. So we go 11, 1 year old, and then all about me 1 year later, number of teeth, favorite food, everything I could say, favorite toys, I can do whatever, favorite songs, I love whatever. So there's plenty of room for Mama to write. And I want to be able to do this so that it's so much easier to pull something out and write on it than it is to write in a book. So I wanted to be able to do this so Mom could pull these photo mats out and sit down and write without having to struggle with the pages and everything in the book and whatever the embellishments may be. I just think it would be a lot easier. So, and then here we have pictures for first Mother's Day, first Father's Day, as well as happy birthday to me, how we celebrated, who was there, my favorite gifts, favorite part of the day, that kind of thing. More room for photos. I suppose I could have tried to lift the camera up a little bit. I broke the crank on my tripod, so it's kind of difficult right now, but we'll figure it out. In the back, basic waterfall, there is, this is the only magnet I used here. I know you guys are shocked, right? This is the only magnet I used, was back here to keep the waterfall closed. And then, so we can flip this up. And it's just your basic waterfall, but plenty of room for photos, right? And so on. So right now you are thinking, wow, look at these little tiny photo spaces. How are they supposed to fit anything in there, right? Not a problem. I will be sending this as a gift, even though I was asked to make it. And part of the gift to this young couple will be, I'm including a gift certificate to a company called 45’s Studio, and they make mini prints. So it would be fun. They can put their own full-size or close to full-size pictures in here, as well as when they get some pictures built up, they can use that gift certificate to have the mini prints made, and they can put them in the album when they arrive. So it's an online, I think it's called 45’s Studio, I think it's .com. Again, I will leave that in the description box below. No, I am not sponsored by them. It's just something that I found. I found it a long time ago. I thought it was really cool. And so they will be able to do that. But that's it. That's it. I hope with all the crazy that is going on in the world right now, I really hope that everybody is safe and everybody is well, and you guys take care of yourselves, and hopefully I will be back here real soon. Thanks for watching, everybody. Bye.